Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt, the drive belt for a Subaru engine, 2.5 liter. Okay, this is a 2012, but it's from 2004 all the way up to probably current. Imprezas, Outbacks, Crosstreks, Legacies, doesn't matter. If you got the 2.5 liter engine, this is how it goes. Now the first thing you want to note is when you put the belt back, the routing. Now, if you see, it goes around the crankshaft, then comes up on the idler pulley here, then goes into power steering, then it goes to the alternator, then it goes to another idler pulley, then it goes to the AC compressor, okay, then it goes all the way down to the water pump, all right, around, back up to another idler pulley, okay, and then it goes down and it's around the crankshaft again. Okay, that's the routing. You can always stop that when you're putting the new one on. Okay, you get a 14 millimeter socket with a ratchet, and you go clockwise, and you push it to release the tension, and just take the belt off from the power steering pump. I can't do that with one hand. All right, you just take the whole belt off, and you put the new belt on exactly the way I just showed you in the rotation, proper rotation. If you want, here, I'll put it right like this. So you can pause the video if you want to see the proper rotation I just told you. All right? And that's it. And one more note, I'm sorry. Before you even started this, I'm sorry. There's a 10 millimeter here and a little plastic nubby over here that goes in this rubber thing. You just pull that off because you won't be able to get it off. Should have told you that in the beginning. But anyway, you get the idea. All right, and then you reverse it. Now, of course, the fans are going to be over here. That's why, I mean, you can do it with, you don't have to take the fans out. I did another video, and it has nothing to do with the taking the fans out. It's just that they're going to be a little closer, but you can get the ratchet in there and do it with the fans in there. But this way, it's a clear view to see what you're doing, okay, before you start the project. It's easy. It's not that hard. All right? MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below. I answer all my questions. Try to get everybody, answered and get back on the road. If you learned something, I would appreciate a super thanks or support the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I appreciate all the positive comments and feedback I'm getting. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much.